Okay, this will be a quick video on how to remove the back panel of your GoPro waterproof case. Okay, before we start, why don't you subscribe to my channel, and also you'll see a little tiny bell right beside it. Click on that bell so that you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. So let's start. Okay, hi. This will be a quick video on how to remove the back panel of your GoPro waterproof case. Okay, so my waterproof case is from Telesin. I'm okay with this waterproof case. If you want to access the touchscreen menu, you won't be able to do so because this one is hard cover. You're going to replace it with this one. It's a soft one, and with this one you'll be able to access all the options from your touchscreen menu. It's quite easy. Just unlock, open it all the way down, give it a nudge. See? Let's get this one, snap it back. And that's how easy it is to replace the back panel of your GoPro waterproof case. And that's it for our video. If you like what you've done, hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And that's it for our video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.